Hello everybody and welcome to Digital Point. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an Instagram account in 2023. Currently I am on the first screen. When you hit create an account, I am doing this off of a pre-existing account. So when I was on the profile that already exists, when I want to add an account, that's how I'm going about doing this. But if you have just downloaded the app, there will be a button that says create account or something to that effect, and it will take you to a screen just like this. So first step is to create a username. I highly doubt that Digital Point is available, but we will go ahead and see. No, it is not. So we will test out a couple different ones here. Looks like that one is not available either. I will meet up with you guys as soon as I have a username, I guess. So stay tuned and we will continue this tutorial here in just 1 second. All right, so I have my username. This is definitely not what I wanted to do for the username, but it is available. So for the purpose of this video, we are just going to go with it. We'll hit next and then we will create a password. Obviously, I'm not going to show my password, so I will meet up with you guys once I have completed this step. Okay, so that's really it. It's really quick. It's really easy to create the basic account. Once we hit complete sign up, it will take us to another screen where we fill out a little more information like our name, different things like that. It takes a bit of time. So here we can add Facebook friends. I'm going to skip that for now. We'll just skip. Then contacts, we'll hit next. I'm going to say don't allow right now just because I don't need to add my contacts for the purpose of this video. We will go public for the account. We'll hit next. And then we just add a photo. Again, for now, I'm going to skip that section. And then this is just some interests that you can select. We'll just hit a couple here. I don't know. I don't think there's a limit of the number that you can select, but we'll just kind of, so you can see a bunch of different things so that it can kind of give you accounts to follow and different things like that. We'll just hit, I love traveling, so we'll hit some travel and we'll just continue. We'll hit next there. And then this gives you some people that you can follow. We will just hit next once again. And then here is our account. Again, it's giving you those people that you can follow, but the account is set up. You can edit the profile to go a little more in depth. You can create an avatar if you want to. You can add your name. For this, we will just do Digital Point as our name, really original. You can only change your name twice within 14 days. So, you know, if you mess up, you can change it again, but after that, you're stuck with whatever username you have for a bit. So that'll be our name. We'll just put Digital Point, and I could change it one more time if I really wanted to. If you want to change your username, you can try. I do think there's a limit as to the number of times you can try and change your username. For now, I'm going to just keep my username like that. You can add a bio, you can add links, different things like that. You can make it a professional account. You can add your profile picture. But again, this is just a really basic video as to how you set up an Instagram account. And there it is. It's pretty simple. We will go more in depth on Instagram in some future videos that will be coming out later this week. So how often do you use Instagram, or do you use it at all? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and we will see you in the next video.